Welcome back to another video, everybody. My name is Julian, and today I'm showing you how I cut and style my hair. Now, I'm not personally cutting my hair because I've tried that before. It never turns out great because I'm not a professional barber, but I'm gonna show you how to go into a barbershop, what to ask for, how to confidently get what you need, and to make sure your haircut is going to be exactly what you want it to be. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. Alright, so I just pulled up to my barber shop and I'm going to be getting a haircut. So we're going to be getting rid of all that stuff on the sides here, and what I'm really going to be showing you is how I ask and get my haircut. So if you have curly hair just like me, you know how to get your hair done the right way, a better way, to not look like a mushroom head. So let's get straight onto the video. What do I ask for going into the barbershop? So what we're gonna do is cut off practically the sides. I'm gonna keep the curls on top because the curls are obviously the important part of the hair. And then I'm going to do a mid fade, yeah. And I like to keep it high on the back though. Okay. So that's practically how I explain it. If you need additional help explaining that, you can show pictures, because of course barbers can understand by a visual. And then if not, just ask them advice. So I recently just got my haircut, you know what I'm saying? Ooh. I'm really happy about it. I love the experience going to the barber shop, you know, being able to connect with the barber as well. If you can't really connect with the barber, something's up.
If your barber ain't cleaning his clippers like this, he's not really sanitizing his clippers well.
Yeah, make sure they clean their clippers too, you know what I mean?
Nobody's there.
Now, let's get straight into the details. That's exactly what this is. Now, make sure, 100% make sure you say, do not cut my curls out. So sometimes there's some curls, like see how there's some curls right here, but this isn't the top of my head. That's what I'm saying. I don't want those curls cut into. And you know, I'm able to specify that and he gets it done for me.
Gotta make that line crispy, dog.
Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching. Definitely check out all the content I have on my channel. Hit that subscribe button with the bell notification. Smash the like button, and let's get back to the video. And there's been times where I say don't cut the curls out, and I feel them getting cut out, and I say, hey now, I feel you cutting the curls. And the barber goes, no, I'm not cutting it. And I look on the ground and there were curls on the ground. Anyways, that's a different story for a different time. There are so many bad barbers that think they're the best that you really just gotta learn and get past. So whenever you go to a barber shop, sometimes you may fail. Sometimes you may not get what you want. Sometimes you may get a great haircut. Sometimes you may not get the best haircut. But you know, it depends on their level and experience and what you really told them as well. So.
Doesn't hurt at all, right?
No. So if you're specific and you know what you're getting, you just gotta put trust in your barber for your first time. After the first time, if you don't have that, if he doesn't satisfy you, try another barber. It's not gonna hurt his feelings if you don't come back. He's gonna always have customers. You can Google it, of course, before you get there, but have that confidence. Be like, hey, this is what I want. What is this called? I've had barbers decide what they're gonna do for me, and I'm like, whoa, now, hold up. That's not what I wanted. So you really have to have that confidence to speak up. Let me show you the day after, what my hair looks like all around right now. I have some clips from when I previously got it, but there was probably some hair around on my head and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you right now. Now this is my hair like after a full day. I already worked out, I did some things, running errands, so I don't know what the back of my head looks like, but typically this is what it's like all day, so that's why I like this hairstyle, because my curls are wild, so it's just kind of wild, but then the sides are really clean and tapered, and that's kind of just the look I'm going for. It's just a quick, really no fix. So yeah, if you want to critique it anyway, just make sure to use your vocabulary enough to where the barber's gonna understand, and if you even have to be like, does that make sense? So you know they know what you're talking about. Just don't be like, hey, I want that, and then sit down and assume that's what they're gonna give you, because sometimes they don't. Shoot. You didn't get cut right if it don't sting.
Straight up. There we go, my brother.
Look at them curls. The curls look more like whenever I get the cut, you know what I mean? They look more.
They stand out a whole lot more.
Yeah.
Nigga, your name not on the wall, man. Your name not on the wall.
Alright, thanks for cutting my hair, man.
Hey, man, no problem. Anytime, bro. Hey, if you ever in Houston, Texas, you need a fresh cut, pull up 2647 One Rock Boulevard.
This is where you go.
Best barbershop.
H-Town. If any of you in Houston need a barber recommendation, hit me up. I'll send you his link. Also, like, I'll throw his Instagram down in the bio as well, so you can check that out. All right, so I hope this information I gave you was helpful when getting your haircut, especially with that curly hair. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope all the information I gave you today was helpful. Definitely, if you got some information from this video, definitely hit that like button for me. It does help out my channel. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for me, so every time I post a new video, you are notified. And definitely hit that bell notification so it goes straight to your phone when I post a video. Definitely comment down below any hair advice tips you have that I may have missed quickly. So if you are wanting to know more, definitely leave a comment down below and I'll definitely get back to you for that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. It really means the world to me. Like always, my name is Julian and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Bro.
Man, I feel like $1 million every time I get my hair cut, man.
Smoking on all of this herb. I feel like I'm leaving Earth. I keep it 30, no perk. Boom, boom, boom. Blow a bitch down, it's gon' hurt. All that bullshit for the bird. Keep that shit right to the curb. I keep the drink like a clerk. Dealing with pain I deserve. We'll talk that 30 if you third. Two, three, and they berserk. I get that check on the first. I get that check on the second. And I get that check on the third. You fuck with me, get your